Hello everyone. I want to do a short video, surprise video, to show something I had a chance to purchase recently, and it's in this box. So let's see what's in here. Take the papers out. This just came today, by the way. Take this out. Alright, pretty well wrapped, which I'm very thankful for, by the way. Alright, they're coming out. And this is what I have. In fact, I have 5 of them. Those are 5, that's one here, VIC-20 motherboards, Commodore VIC-20 motherboards. And they're actually all relatively new according to the seller. They were selling in bulk of them for $5 a piece. There was some shipping cost involved as well, but for $5 I managed to get 5 motherboards. And yeah, I mean they're all functional according to the seller, and if I can basically harvest them for parts to repair a Commodore 64 or any other VIC-20 that I have, and actually even use them as they are. All they need is power supply, and they already have the video output, the cartridge slot. This here is a CPU, the VIA, the input-output chips. Yeah, I mean the traces all look good and the components all look very good. So yeah, $25 got me a set of 5 like new VIC-20 motherboards. So yeah, it pays to look online, to look for deals, as these things come kind of once in a lifetime. Those components are going to become very rare very soon. This one still has the shield. One of them was missing the shield. 1, 2, 3, also with the shield. 4, and that is the last one. That was an extra shield on the back. Let's put this down. Yeah, with the power and everything. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't that a beauty? I bet you don't see that every day. Now we'll take a look at them in detail and see if anything is damaged, and I'll try to correct the power supply and connect it to my TV and see if any of them work. So thank you for watching. So this is a closer view of the motherboards. They really look new. I don't see any age-related damage to them. The traces are all very clean. Generally, the board seems to be very clean. There's not much dust or just scratches or spots or anything like that. Keyboard connector over here, cartridge slot, processor. Yeah, I mean, even comes to the sides for the power supply, the power switch, the optional port, and here we have the video out. I mean, it comes with the board as well. So really, it's, I mean, all that it needs really is the keyboard, the keyboard connector. I need to plug in the power, and then I can actually try them and see. I have some cartridges, so I'll give them a try. They're all fine. One of them is missing the shield over the signal generator, but other than that, they're all different. They're not exactly all the same. Makes me think they're harvested from maybe a warehouse somewhere. They're different generations. The components are slightly different, but other than that, those are really good quality, and over time those components will be harder and harder to find, which makes it nice to have a stack of those. Hey, and if I can build a VIC-20 out of one of them, then that's a fun project in itself.